I still want to confirm. Let me confirm if the person has made the payment. So this person said he has paid, but I've not received. So I want to check. Oh, I'm using OPay, so this one will not. No noise there. This one will not give me alert. So let me use the other phone to check it. I'm having network issues on the other phone. I need to cross check this before I click on payment received. So this is the part 2 of that video, because I have to check for something. So this is the part 2 of the video. So please just hold on. I'm still trying to confirm. Please just hold on. I'm trying to confirm. The network here is not. The network on the other phone is so. The network on the other phone. I want to be sure that the money, because you have to be very, very sure. You have to confirm before, because once I click this place now, and if the cash is not there, then the money is gone. So I want to be sure. Oh my God, what is this network is doing? On this other phone where I'm doing the video, the network is going well, but on this other one it's not going. Okay, I think it's up now. So let me just confirm. Okay, it's up now. Thank God. Thank God. Let me confirm. Let me be sure. Okay. Okay, good. Payment received. So I just click on payment received. So because I have confirmed it, okay. So that is how. So this is the part 2 of the video where how to receive how to sell your dollars and get naira. Okay. So I just confirmed it, and the person has paid the exact amount through the other phone. And because OPay does not receive, the way I set it, I don't get alert. I have to check my. So now it has entered. Receive the payment in your account. Yes, I have not received payment from. No, I have received. I have received and verified the payment. Yes, I've received. Let me still check again to be sure. But the money has entered this exact amount, 12,000. See, I wish you can see my other phone, 12,171 naira. So I have received and verified payment. Confirm, please. So I click on confirm, please, and Otila. That's all. So this is how you. So I just paid security code. Okay, let me send code. Okay, let me use the other phones so that I don't close this video. It's asking for security codes. So while the other phone is still open, let me open the Gmail, my Gmail on the other phone, and then click on get on codes on code sent, and it will. So let me click on that Gmail. So this is how you sell your dollars and get USDT. Okay, so let me let me see the code that is sent to me. Okay, I've seen it. Binance P2P. I've seen it. So I will enter the code now. Hold on, the email is still coming up. Okay, I want the email. The network on the other phone is not that fast. I would have finished this video since. So this is the part 2, because I wanted to enter my password to check my old pay. But if I do that, you will see it, and that would be risky. So I have to end the video. So that's why I'm doing a part 2 of. So, and by the time I try to put my password, I realized that instead of closing it, why not just use the other phone and check it. So, but by then I've already closed or ended the video. So that's why I'm making the part 2. Okay, so this is it. I've entered the code they sent to me. So you see it, the money is gone. Do you feel that the design of the other process helped you to complete your transaction? Yes, sure, I did. So if you like, you can give your feedback. If you don't like, but it's good to give feedback. Okay, be patient to drop your feedback. Okay, so with this now, how I wish I can show you my other phone. You can see the naira just entered. In fact, since how many minutes ago I got the 12,000 naira. The person has paid, and the person has taken my dollars. So I don't want to be doing all these things now. So let me just close. So you can see it done. So I click on done. And that's all. So the person is happy with my dollars that is now his own, and I have the cash. Okay, so like I said, I will still sell $10 again in the next 5 minutes, but I will not record that, so I will not show you that. But this is how to sell. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe. I hope you understand what I just taught you now, because people say I teach so well, and that is why I'm beginning to do videos like this. So if you feel you understood what I just did right now, taught you, please comment, okay, and ask your question. You see, on each of these things, there are different ways to use them, and there are so many, there are hundreds. But when you ask me a question, I can look at your question and do a video and answer your question. Okay, so that is all. That will be all for now. Don't forget to subscribe so that when I post a video, you will get it. And I hope I'm not too fast. I teach very well, right? So I also like it. Also confirm it if truly I teach so well, like people say offline. Okay, so and even online, because people in Ghana, they call me, I just do audio, speak with them, and they get their Google Authenticator, their Binance, they get it even without watching my videos, just only explaining via phone audio, they get it. So please subscribe and stay tuned. Share, comment, and ask your questions. Okay, let me end the video now. So see you this time. I'll be teaching you something great. I am Professor Holy Rock. Till I come your way again, remain great.